Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI. If you love paper crafting, anything from scrapbooking to making greeting cards, and you use stamps, you have to check out this Ranger Archival Ink stamp pad. This one is jet black, and I absolutely love how well it works. To me, I think the best part of this stamp pad is when you stamp with it, you get a beautiful, rich, and full black color. So I just think that the stamps done with this pad come out beautifully. It's really perfect for all kinds of DIY paper crafting projects. And if you're looking for a great black solid stamp pad, I definitely recommend this one. And that's my point of view.